Hello, this is George from LTS Security Australia, and what I have to show you here today is the new Ajax MotionCam Outdoor HighMount PHOD. It's the one here on the right. As you can see on the left, I've got the current version, which is the MotionCam Outdoor PHOD. So what I want to do today is show you the differences between the two, what this one can do over that one, and so forth. So first of all, the main difference you can see is the size. The HighMount is a slightly larger housing. If you compare the camera modules, you can also see that the HighMount is on an angle, and the reason for that is because this one gets installed much higher, between 2 to 4 meters high, opposed to the 0.8 to 1.3 meters of the standard version. And the reason for that is so it gets the right angle. Now, the other thing which the HighMount comes with is this bracket. What I've done is loosened it so you can see the swivel, so you can completely swivel this left and right and up and down so you can get full coverage. The actual bracket itself, if I pop the back off, so the back of the mounting block is made out of plastic. It's got a little level there, which is great. A single screw hole there, so you basically screw it in, adjust your level, and the magnet is to hold this bracket on while you're screwing the other holes, screwing the other pieces on. What you're going to have to do is take that hex off, excuse me, and that hex off. Then this back plate will come off. You put that back plate on, 4 screws, then this little housing pops on. You've got to take this off. You pop that little housing on, then this one. It's very, very simple. We've got a video later on to show you as well. So you can see here you've got 4 hex screws. So the other difference you can see on the original, it doesn't have those 4 screws. So on these ones it does. So basically what you would probably do is install this first, put that on, put your hex screws on, and then pop him on, and away you go. So as you can see, those are the main physical differences. The other thing you probably notice is this has got 3 sensors. You've got 2 PIR sensors and 1 microwave sensor. So I'll get into that now. So the main differences between the two, as we mentioned, the original needs to be installed from 0.8 to 1.3 meters, while this big bad guy can go from 2 to 4 meters. So realistically, where can you use this? Warehouses, construction sites, large areas that need to get covered. If you need that now, we've got a solution for you. Again, similar to this one here, it can do 15 meters detection range, but the difference is this has got 90 degrees of viewing angle, horizontal and vertical, and it's a game changer with this bracket, so you can completely adjust how you need. So the main difference, the way that the PIR sensors work and why this is such a great product, is it uses 2 PIR sensors to detect the movement, and it does like an analysis of the temperature. So it basically looks for a human signature. And then after it does that, then the device does a radio wave scan using the K-band microwave sensor. So unlike X-band, K-band offers an enhanced precision and superior energy efficiency. So it's not going to affect your battery. It's not harmful to humans. It's just a really, really good sensor and a very, very accurate sensor to minimize your false alarms. So that uses like a software algorithm to prevent these false alarms, which Ajax is known for. On top of that, it does have temperature compensation. So for your hot or cold climates, this product will work very, very well. Now, as we mentioned earlier, the camera module is used for the photo on demand. So you can do photo on alarm, photo on scenario. So if you have a specific time you want to take a photo on demand. So if you want to at any time get a photo by schedule, and also a photo on arm and disarm. Now the IP rating, I believe this one is IP55, so the HighMount is IP55. I believe that the standard is IP56, so there is a difference in the IP rating. It won't affect it because it's got an outdoor housing. Up to 1700 meters open air wireless transmission distance. The other thing which it does have is the external power. So in addition to the 3-year battery life, you can also power this device with 12 to 24 volts of power. I think that's DC. Now, it's tough. It's tamper proof, so it's got a tamper, as you know, with Ajax. If you take the cover off, it's going to send a notification straight away. It's easy to install. It's got a very, very wide angle, 90 degrees, horizontal and vertical. You can use the swivel mount to give you wide coverage. Because it's up high, you're going to be able to cover very large areas in warehouses and outdoor areas that need more security. The photo verification, so they both do have photo on demand. Again, this is a very, very popular feature, and it's great to have in a sensor to give you that extra ability to see what's going on when there is an alarm. So the other thing, it does have anti-masking. So it gives you the ability, if somebody does cover it or tries to fool it, it will let you know. The sensor, again, is a HDR sensor and has infrared. So you're going to get good quality pictures day and night. Now, the other thing which this HighMount does have is a magnetometer. I don't know if I said that right, but the magnetometer monitors surrounding magnetic fields. So that basically is another additional security feature, so for tamper alarms and so forth. Now, the pet immunity, the MotionCam Outdoor has pet immunity. This one does not have pet immunity, but it does detect all motion for maximum protection. They both handle minus 25 to 60 degrees Celsius, and so that means in day and night, cold, hot, snow, you're good, you're covered. We already mentioned it does 3 years of battery life, so again, yes, you can get the notification on your phone if it does need to be replaced. Otherwise, you can also connect it to power. Now, in addition to that, the Ajax products, if you've used Ajax before, you know how good the software on the app is and how easy it is to use. You can do your privacy management, your alerts, your photo requests. You can secure it so it has only specific user access. But this product is great. We've just installed it and played around with it. It's very, very easy to install with this bracket. Yeah, I am really looking forward to selling this product. It's opening up more doors to other areas where we had to install this one low. So now we can install something high, and it does work very, very well. So thank you very much, guys. And here is our video on the installation.